Hello, scrappers! Tonight, we're scrapping this. This is in the trash. My tenants threw it away. I think it's a Paw Patrol submarine airplane thing. But there's a speaker on it. There's a button on it, and it lit up. So there's got to be wires in it. There's got to be... Oh, that's cool. There's got to be batteries in it. There's got to be scrapping this. So, we'll at least get the batteries out of it so they don't end up in the landfill. And maybe I can get, little button cell batteries. These lithiums? Nope. No lithium. But these are going to go in my bucket. I have a bucket that I put batteries in. These aren't going to end up in a landfill because batteries are like one of the biggest polluters that we have on this planet. Very, very bad for the environment. So the batteries will save. We'll recycle them. We'll do something with them. We're not throwing them away. I bet those little tabs are brass. How do I get to that speaker? I imagine everything's up on the top of this, so I don't have to take too much of this apart. I'm gonna end up bleeding all over the place for a penny. Kind of interesting, right? There's scrap everywhere, even these little toys. I bet there's parents out there that are just loving seeing this thing getting destroyed. There's a little switch. I wonder if that's got silver contact in it. Yes, it is. There's a silver contact switch, and we got some little bits of brass. Yeah, we found silver in a kid's toy. Silver and brass. This stuff's not going to register on the scale, so we'll just set it there so we don't lose it. And this little guy right here, forget exactly what it's called, but there's silver in this thing. So I've been saving... Oh, I'm going to break it. Maybe I can cut the side here and get it out. There we go. There's silver in these. These are worth saving. Let's see if I can get that speaker. Ooh, I see a little circuit board. I'm going to get a longer screwdriver. This one will do the trick. Oh yeah. And there's a speaker, and there's my little circuit board. This is awesome. Right? I gotta pay to throw the trash away. Might as well, right? Might as well get the scrap out of it. Nothing really too good here. Got some number 2 insulated. And what's holding this little speaker together? Oh, a little tiny piezo buzzer. We got some number 2 insulated. We're done. Oh, and in every single speaker, Neat little switch. Every single speaker, there's a little tiny little bit of copper. There's a little tiny copper coil in every speaker. Little tiny little bit of copper. So we got some, there's a magnet. I'm going to put this in the tin bucket. Probably should have left that little tiny piece of copper in there and got copper bearing for this. What we got? We got some number 2 insulated. Little bit of insulated. And we got some copper bearing board. We got some tin for the tin bucket. And a little tiny bit of copper. You guys probably really do think I'm crazy now after seeing that. But it does add up. Oh, I almost forgot about the brass. This is the important stuff. Ah. Oh, what a letdown. Well, it was worth scrapping anyways. Just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.